Welcome to the Virtual Techy, where we help people decode the future of tech and build AI businesses that run on autopilot. Before we go farther, get yourself a pen and paper or get your notepad ready as we delve into today's topic. All right, let's get right into it. The great AI hype correction of 2025, it's here, and you know what? It's about damn time. Now, don't worry, this isn't some doom and gloom report. No, I want you to think of this as your playbook. This is your guide to not just survive, but actually thrive when the AI market finally, gets real.
Look, for the last couple of years, things have been, well, easy. Way too easy. You could just slap a simple wrapper on a big AI model, call it a business, and boom. But that whole era of easy money, of just riding the hype train, it's dead. It's over. In 2025, you're not going to get rich chasing trends. You're going to get rich by building stuff that actually works.
And the scale of this thing, it's just staggering. We're talking about 99%. Yeah, you heard me, 99% of all these so-called AI tools out there, they're probably going to zero. Worthless. But hey, I'm not saying this to scare you, I'm saying it to prepare you. Because on the other side of this whole shakeout, oh man, there's a massive opportunity waiting for the people who are ready for it.
Okay, so here's our game plan for today. First up, we're going to break down what this correction really is. Then we're diving into 4 key strategies to make sure you win. We've got agentic workflows, vertical AI, ruthless ROI, and the voice interface. And don't worry, we'll wrap it all up with a super simple action plan you can literally start using today. You know, this correction, it's actually a good thing. Seriously, think of it like a giant filter. It's washing out all the tourists, the folks who were just here for a quick cash grab. And once they're gone, the real builders, people like you and me, we can finally get to work and create real, valuable stuff without all that noise and hype.
All right, strategy number 1. This is all about moving beyond the simple chatbot. Let's be real, the novelty of just chatting with a bot, it's pretty much gone. People are figuring out that it's actually kind of inefficient a lot of the time. The future isn't about talking to AI, it's about AI doing things for you.
So on one side, you've got chatbots, right? Endless typing, back and forth. But on the other side, you've got agents. And agents don't just talk, they execute. They actually make decisions, they plug into your other apps, and they automate entire workflows. And in a market correction, this is your safety net. This is how you scale your business without having to hire more people.
Let me give you a really concrete example. Stop selling some commodity service like AI writing. Just stop. Instead, build an agentic process. So a new lead comes in, bam, that's the trigger. An agent then automatically goes and researches that lead, maybe using a tool like Perplexity. And then it generates a custom proposal and sends it from your email. I'm not talking about a draft, it actually hits send. That is a real asset.
Okay, moving on to strategy number 2, winning with specificity. Look, if you're trying to build some general do-everything AI tool, you're picking a fight with giants like Google and OpenAI, and that's a fight you're probably not going to win. The real key to making money right now, it's to go vertical.
And this is a really fundamental shift, you guys. In the past, all the value was in the AI model itself. But now, the models are cheap. They're a commodity. The real value, the thing that builds a moat around your business, is your proprietary data, applied to a super specific industry problem. We're talking about solving real-world problems for, plumbers, dentists, logistics companies, all those industries that the hype chasers completely ignore.
So what exactly is vertical AI? It's just building a tool to solve a very specific, maybe even boring problem for a niche market. For instance, an automated invoicing CRM built just for HVAC companies. That's it. And with a tool like lovable.dev, you can literally just describe that and it helps you build the whole application. That specificity, that's how you make a profit.
Strategy number 3, and this one is absolutely critical. As this market corrects, CFOs and business owners everywhere are waking up. They're pulling out their magnifying glasses and scrutinizing every single software subscription. The free ride is officially over. The only metric that matters anymore is ROI, return on investment. So you have to ask yourself this question about every single tool in your tech stack. Right now, is this AI actually doing the work, or is it just a cool toy? Because in a downturn, fun doesn't pay the bills, but ROI sure does.
So here's a dead simple test for you. Does this tool save your team at least 10 hours a week? And does it generate at least $1,000 in new revenue? If the answer to both of those is no, cut the subscription. Seriously, be ruthless. And you need to track this stuff. Use a tool like Precision.co to track every single dollar your AI generates. You have to know your numbers.
Okay, our final strategy. This one is all about a massive, and I mean massive, shift in how we're all interacting with technology. The data couldn't be clearer. People are just getting tired of typing. The future of the user interface? It's voice. Yeah, we're seeing text-based interaction just kind of trending down, while voice is absolutely exploding in popularity. It's simple. People want to talk, not type. And that's exactly why I'm betting big on tools like Vapi for building voice conversations and 11labs.io for creating those hyper-realistic voices. The tech isn't coming soon, it's here, it's ready to go.
Just think about this use case for a second. It's so powerful. You can replace an entire customer service or sales team with a single voice AI. I mean, it can take calls 24/7, it can handle complex objections, it can book appointments right into your calendar. And you know what? It never calls in sick, it never has a bad day. In sales, speed to lead is everything. And an AI that responds instantly, it's going to win every single time.
Okay, let's pull all this together into a real action plan. I know hearing the word correction can sound a little scary, but it is so important to reframe how you think about it. This is not a crisis, it's an opportunity. It's your chance to stop playing around with toys and start building real, durable, valuable assets.
Because at the end of the day, a market correction is just a transfer of wealth. That's all it is. It's wealth moving from the lazy, the inefficient, the hype chasers, over to the efficient, focused builders. Your only job is to make sure you are on the right side of that transfer.
So, here it is, your one simple, non-negotiable action item. I don't want you to just listen to this. I want you to do something. Pick one, just one, area of your business. It could be lead gen, invoicing, customer follow-up, whatever. And I want you to schedule a 90-minute block in your calendar this week to automate it. That's it. Get that win, stack it, do it again next week, and you will build a business that can weather any storm that comes its way. If you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so the algorithm can recommend more of my content to you and other viewers as well.